This looks like a start to a terrible apology video. I just put my contacts in. I didn't think I'd ever have to make this video. Hi, how you doing? Did you drink enough water today? Oh my gosh, I'm so red. My name's Phalafel. How you doing? How you living? How you breathing? So you notice I'm farther away. Ooh, Call of Duty Ghost. But I'm not a phantom. Call your mom because you're gonna have a tantrum. Bars. As you will notice, I'm a little bit farther from the camera today. We're doing an unboxing. I've never unboxed. I'm pretty impatient. I like to open things once I get them, but I waited until I had an opportunity to make this video. Do you see the stand start to peak? There's Animal Crossing stuff all over my apartment. My bathroom door. I have like a shrine in the living room of like plushies and amiibo figures and all of the games and all the guides. So I entered a competition on Twitter hosted by the one and only Colourpop Cosmetics. And I was very fortunate to have been selected to receive the PR box for their Animal Crossing collection. I want to cry. I already just cried from doing my contact lenses. I don't really know how to do this. We're gonna do it the falafel way. We're gonna make it our own. So this is the box that it came in. This is the like actual packaging box. Not gonna show you the back. That's my address. Made in LA. Fragile. As soon as I got it, I was like, I know it's gonna be cute. Open it up. Especially made for island residents. Already it's cute. You have the leaf emblems all over. It's in like text bubble from the game. Thomas Nookington the third. So the first two things that are right on the top, a collection of stickers. Love. I'll probably put these on my PC. Cute. And then it has like the Colourpop at the bottom too. Look at Stitches! Ivana! And then I'm freaking out. A DIY recipe from New Horizons. I play on Twitch sometimes. Twitch.tv/falafelcosplays every Wednesday and Sunday, 7 p.m. Check it out. DIY recipe. On the other side, it lists all the products that are a part of this package. So we have the True Friends palettes, there's 4 of them. Just a Tint mini lip duos, there are 3. 2 blush compacts. Billionaire Glittery Obsessed Glitter Gel. Balloon Pop Super Shock Shadow. Let me do this on camera. Let's start with the shadows. The True Friends shadow set. No. It's so cute. They're on the side, but inside are the 4 palettes. Scoochie Coochie. Not Scoochie Coochie. Oh no. The Belle of the Ball. So this is the Able Sisters set. That's very cute. The colors that they have are Able Sisters, Taylor's Ticket, Custom Design, and Serene Sable. These all come with their own mini mirrors. Each, ooh, you can see my secrets. Little mirror with Mabel, Sable, and Label or Labelle. Label if you know the lore. This is Able Sister up top, right here. This very shiny, glittery purple. This like lilac lavender-y color. Taylor's Ticket, Serene Sable, and Custom Design. Should I do a swatch? Is that how these go? Okay, I don't know. Is that seeable? Is that doable? So the darker purple is the Serene Sable, which is really pretty. And it's very rich. I'm a huge Colourpop fan. I have a number of their palettes. I have Meant to Be, Baby Got Peach, Lilac You a Lot, which obviously these two, like, there's a lot of similarities. I just like how pigmented their colors are. So this is close to filtered on Lilac You a Lot. That's filtered. This is Serene Sable. They're pretty close, I would say. This one has more red in it than this. Taylor's Ticket does have a little bit of glitter in it. It's very subtle. Oh, Custom Design, which has the iridescence to it, so there's some blue in there. It's this middle one, right here. That's pretty. The one up top is the glitter, Able Sisters. What a hoot! Also, I'm waiting for Brewster, Animal Crossing Nintendo, what's going on? Again, each of these have their own little mirror. So here is Who. Every time I think of that, I think of Snoop Dogg. Who? Who? All right, that's Who. All of Flutter is this shimmery orange down here, like a pumpkin. You know, the Pumpkin King. Celestial. We'll put that right here. I know somebody's probably cringing like, this is not how you do swatches. I'm trying. You can kind of see it right there. But then we have Meteor Shower, which is the glitter that is with that too. You can't really see, I'm running out of space on this arm. Gotta switch to the other. Now we have a pink palette, pink. It's the Isabelle one, and it's a 5-star island. Yes, sis, let's go. Isabelle is a gold island tune for this matte pink, island designer for this pink glitter, and then resident rep. All right, so that's the breakdown. You can kind of see on my skin the gold. Very much you can see the island tune, which is the lighter pink. Can't really see the glitter from the island designer. And then resident rep. That one might be, of the 3 so far, my favorite. This is the Timmy and Tommy, and Thomas is there too. Thomas Nookington III. This is the Nook Ink palette. Close-ish to Mint to Be. So there's Yes, which, that is so cute. It's the follow-up text for when Timmy and Tommy speak after each other. Made in Shade, which is this color right here. CEO. Ooh. And then this teal right here is Water Landing. So, I'm gonna ask my sister, y'all, shout out to Glamadisa08 who actually does this stuff. How was I supposed to do this? Ooh, you wanna talk about pigment? I need you to see this. First off, I did it in a terrible location. All right, so the top is the Yes. Underneath it, right here, is the Made in Shade, which is really beautiful. The glitter is really pretty. And then this right here, the Water Landing, is bold and it is beautiful. Of the 4 True Friends palettes, 5-Star Island is my favorite, but I also really love how pigmented Nook Ink is. I think the colors are really beautiful. Next product, let's do lip tint. So this one I just opened. This is the Fruit Baskets duo. Juicy Apple and Cherry. This one's Cherry, Juicy Apple. The caps are super cute. They have the fruits on them. Then you see the shades at the bottom. Animal Crossing logo with Colourpop, and then the description on the other side. Oh, they look like little crayons. That's cute. Oh, that's pretty. So then apple's on top, and it's more of a rosier pink color, and then cherry is that like real red. The consistency is very smooth. The shadows were all character-based. These ones are all fruit-based for all the fruits that you get on your island. So this one is Fruit Roots. This is a Peach Surprise and Orange Cutie. Peach, orange. Peach is up top here. Orange is there. It like this is reading orange and that's reading red in the camera, but in person, the peach is a true like peach tone, and the orange has just like a little bit of pink into it. So then the last two, of course, these are Pick of the Bunch, and this is Coconut Juice and Incomparable. We love a pun. So ooh, these ones actually are more nude. So these ones, I was silly to assume that these would be green. It's the lip. Why would you have a green lip? Pear, light brown, coconut, darker brown. Ooh, yeah, that's me. That's on me. Pear and coconut. I like the color range of these. Coconut might be my favorite, but I won't know until I actually try all of them. Next product. Oh, these are the blushes. Ooh. Eyeshadows, characters, lip tints, fruit, blushes, flowers. So there's Flower Power, which is this more pink blush, and it uses the Cosmo. And then this is Flower Tender, which is more of an orange blush, and uses the wind flower. And then also just the packaging, like, it's so cute, and you have like the pop outs of the characters here, the colors, everything about this is just so aesthetically appealing. The blushes do have a mirror in the compact. This is a very, very soft pink. I don't know if this would show up on me. Actually, now that I look at it, Flower Tender, again, I was misled. I thought that this would be an orangey blush. And while it is peachier, it's more of a darker pigmented pink. So you can kind of see the hint of the flower power. This one is the Flower Tender. Next product, now we're on to the little itty bitties. So this is the Billionaire Gold Glitter. Oh wow. Excuse me. You see that? That is power. That is damn. I just like pressing into it. Oh my gosh. Oh, and it spreads so smooth. Oh, we love to see it. And then the very, very last thing is the Super Shock Shadow. Oh, that is a mouthful. The Balloon Pop Super Shock Shadow. Super Shock Shadow. Super Shock Shadow. You can't say that 5 times fast, y'all. It's the little present on balloons that float around and about. Super cute. On the inside is the shadow with the furniture leaf. Ooh, it's a very shimmery gold shadow. I don't know if you can see it. Like a really light shadow. It's very beautiful. That is the full collection. I think I did it. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna do my makeup and make some TikToks. And I'm gonna cut to an outro. I would do my makeup on screen, but I film on my phone and it's a lot to... Ooh, we back. This is the look. New shirt. I used a lot of 5 Star Island. Little bit of What a Hoot. I used it for the outer brown. I used Who, but mainly it was 5 Star Island. I did use Billionaire for all of the glitter on my face. I was gonna use the cherry lip tint. Also, these are flavored. Delicioso. I was gonna use cherry, but I ended up using coconut. I used the Flower Tender blush. My lashes are already mad at me and they wanna fly away. Thanks for watching. If you wanna watch more, go ahead, subscribe. If you don't, that's up to you and that's fair. That's fair. But I encourage you to stay, it's fun over here. Thank you so much again, Colourpop Cosmetics, for sending me this incredible, amazing line that made my heart so happy. And thank you for watching. See you next time, okay? Bye.